Hey, baby. What do you want? Do you want to hang out? Do you want to watch a movie? Oh. Do you want a treat? Oh. Do you want a treat? You want a treat? Huh? Do you want a treat? Oh. You want a treat? She's like, give me that damn treat. Well, she's about to get a treat. But first, she's got to give me a high five. High five. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That was probably the most perfect high five she's given me ever. That was pretty good. That was. You know what? You get another treat for that. Here, no, we gotta give you a bigger one. I'm impressed. There we go. I'm impressed. Congratulations. Congratulations. You just might have some talent in showbiz.